See here in this problem, here integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx is given here. So it is also not in the standard format. So first of all, I am going to assume that with I, so this is total equal to I. Now I am going to apply the property of the different integral, that is integral of 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So by applying this property, then it becomes integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, so x can be replaced with a minus x. So here a means pi by 4. So tan of pi by 4 minus x dx. So it is equal to I. So now apply here formula tan of a minus b formula. So that is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So by applying this formula, we will get here I equal to integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, so a means pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 means 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Here also tan m is 1, okay, dx. So now take the LCM here, then it becomes I equal to integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of, on the numerator becomes, that is 1 plus tan x minus plus 1 minus tan x. So tan x cancel on the numerator. On the numerator 1 plus tan x is there. So on the numerator we get 2 value. So then it becomes integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 divided by 1 plus tan x dx. We know that log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So from this we will get integral of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x dx. Now apply integral for these two terms. Integral of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus of integral of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx is equal to I. So this is nothing but given equation. That is how much I am going to replace with I. So then it becomes integral of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus I. So bring this I on left hand side, then becomes 2I equal to integral of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx. Now apply the, now this is the constant value, okay, bring it outside. So then it becomes 2I equal to log 2 into integral of 0 to pi 4 dx. Now apply, this is here 1 is there. So for 1 we know that is how much, x power 0. So equal to log 2 into x power of 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. That is integral of x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 with limits 0 to pi by 4. So that's equal to pi by 4 log 2, you got 2I. So then I equal to pi by h log 2. So I is much, pi by a log 2. So it is equal to pi by a log 2. So from the options, option C is the correct option. See here in this problem, integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into log of tan x dx. So let us assume that first of all this is totally equal to I. We know that from the properties of different integrals, so that is integral of 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So by applying this property, we will get integral of 0 to pi by 2 sine of 2 into pi by 2 minus x into log of tan of pi by 2 minus x dx. So this is equal to I. Now here 2 cancel here and it becomes minus 2x, means pi minus 2x. So sine of pi minus 2x is how much? Sine 2x. So that is integral of 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x. So this is equal to sine 2x, and here log of tan of pi by 2 minus x. So tan of pi by 2 minus x is what? Cot x. So that is log of cot x. So cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. That is nothing but tan x whole inverse. So cot x can be written as tan x whole inverse dx equal to I. So we know that from the properties of logarithms, that is log a power m equal to m into log a. So bring this minus 1 here by applying this property, then becomes minus 1 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into log of tan x dx. So here we can read it as this whole equation is nothing but looking like given equation. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x log of tan x dx. So it is assumed as I. Okay. Now here minus I equal to I. So bring this term to right hand side, then becomes 2I equal to 0. So I equal to 0. So it is nothing but equal to 0. So from the options, option is the correct option. See here in this problem, integral of 0 to pi square by 4 sin of root x dx is given here. Here sin of root x is not the standard integrate form. So for that I am going to use the substitution method. So root x can be replaced with t. So that is root x is equal to t is considered. So from that t square is equal to x. So root x can be replaced with t. Now derivate this equation on both sides, then we get 2t dt equal to dx. Now dx also can be replaced with 2t dt in terms of t. So here x limits are there. We want the limits in terms of t. So for x is equal to 0, t becomes 0. Substitute in this equation, then we get the t limits. So if x is equal to pi square by 4 is there. So then for t equal to pi by 2. So these are the new limits for t. So now substitute in the given equation, then we will get integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin t 2t dt. So from this 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 t into sin t dt. Now it is in the format of integral of u formula. So by applying the integral of u formula, that is integral of uv is equal to u into integral of v minus of integral of u dash integral of v dt. Now apply this formula here, then we will get the solution for this. So let's see here, 2 into u means here t. So how can we take a means? By using the highlight formula. So algebra and trigonometry. Here this is the algebra and this is the trigonometry. So that's why first one is considered as u and second one is considered as v. So then from this we'll get 2 into t into integral of sin t minus of integral of d by dt of t integral of sin t dt. So from this we get 2 into, so on with limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Here integral sign is minus cos t. So minus t into cos t minus of this becomes 1 and this is minus cos t. Bring minus outside, then becomes plus. So integral of cos t means sin t with limits 0 to pi by 2. Now by applying the limits, we will get the final value is equal to 2. So from the options, option C is the correct option for the given problem. See here in this problem, integral of 0 to pi x into sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx is given here. So here the integrand is not in the standard format. Okay, but here from the different integrals we know that integral of 0 to pi x into f of x, some function is there with multiplying with x. So for that we have one property is there. So that is, so integral of 0 to a x into f of x is equal to a by 2 into integral of 0 to a f of x dx when f of a minus x equal to f of x. So in this x will be removed. Okay, with the help of this we can reduce the equation. So first of all check this condition is valid or not valid. Okay, here f of x equal to sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x, and variable a is nothing but pi here. Okay, now we want f of a minus x, that is f of pi minus x, that is sin of pi minus x divided by 1 plus cos of pi minus x square. From the trigonometric functions, sin of pi minus x means sin x only. So sin x divided by 1 plus cos of pi minus x means cos x only, that is cos x square. Okay, so it is nothing but f of x. So this condition is valid. Now we can rewrite this equation in this form. Then we will get pi by 2 into integral of 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, now still it is not in the standard format. Now I am going to use the substitution method. Now I am going to substitute cos x is equal to t variable, that is cos x is equal to t. Now differentiate on both sides, then we get sin x dx is equal to minus t. So for definition of cos x is minus sin x, I bring the minus on right hand side. Okay, now change the limits also. For x is equal to 0, t becomes 1. For x is equal to pi, t equal to minus 1. These are the new limits for the given equation. Now rewrite it. So pi by 2 integral of 1 to minus 1. Now cos square x means 1 plus t square. So sin x dx can be rewritten as minus dt. So it will be pi by 2 integral of 1 to minus 1 minus dt by 1 plus t square. But we know that from the integrals, integral of 1 by 1 plus t square dt is equal to tan inverse of t. So that equal to here tan inverse of t. So minus pi by 2 into tan inverse of t with limits minus 1 to 1. So that's equal to minus pi by 2 into tan inverse of minus 1 means minus pi by 4 minus of pi by 4. So tan inverse of minus means minus pi by 4 minus of tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. So that's equal to minus pi by 2 into minus 2 pi by 4. So here minus minus becomes plus, and pi 2 pi square by 8, that's equal to pi square by 4. So from the options, option C is the correct option for the given problem. See here, integral of 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx is given here. So whenever these type of different integrals are given, we need to check the properties of the different integrals. So first of all, check this. So integral of 0 to a f of x equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a with limit change, that is a by 2 f of x. So when this condition is satisfied, so that is f of a minus x equal to f of x, so then it is equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a by 2 f of x. So if it is f of a minus x equal to minus f of x, so then it equal to 0. So now this, write the f of x equation here. So that is f of x here equal to 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now we want the f of a minus x. Sorry, here a means pi. That is f of pi minus x, that equal to 1 by a square cos pi minus x whole square plus b square sin of pi minus x whole square. That's equal to here cos of pi minus x means cos x only, sin of pi minus x means sin x only. So then it gives f of x only. So there is no change. So f of minus x here, f of pi minus x equal to f of x. So this condition is valid. So it is equal to 2 times of integral of 0 to a by 2 f of x. Now rewrite the given equation as integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx 2 times. Okay, now bring the cos square x common here. So then it becomes 2 times of integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos square x on the numerator, a square plus b square into sin square x divided by cos square x. After taking the cos square x common, then becomes like this. Now it can be written as tan square x and it is secant square x. So 2 times of integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant square x divided by a square plus b square into tan square x dx. Now here bring the b square common here. So then it becomes 2 by b square integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant square x divided by a by b whole square plus tan square x dx. Still it is not the simplification form. So now I am going to apply the substitution method. Now apply the tan x equal to t variable. So then it becomes tan x equal to t. Now as well as change the dx value in terms of t. Now derivate this equation, then it becomes secant square x dx equal to dt. Now as well as we want to change the limits. So for x equal to, here 0 is there, for x is equal to 0 we will get t equal to 0. For x is equal to pi by 2, then t equal to infinity. Okay, by substituting the equation we will get the new t limits. Now rewrite the given equation as 2 by b square integral of 0 to infinity dt divided by a by b whole square plus t square. So here secant square x dx can be replaced with dt. Okay, on the denominator tan x can be replaced with t variable. Okay, this is our assumption. Okay, this can be t square. Now from the integral formulas we know that integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Now apply this formula here. So it is in the format of, in the standard format. So here a by b nothing but a considered and t nothing but x is considered. So now in substitute in the formula, then we will get 2 by b square. So this is the constant value outside. Okay, so here 1 by a. So a matter a by b. So it becomes b by a tan inverse of x by a. That is tan inverse of, here x means t, t by a means here a by b with limits 0 to infinity. Here 1b cancel. So on the this constant becomes outside 2 by ab. So that equal to 2 by ab. Now apply here tan inverse of bt by a with limits 0 to infinity. 2 by ab into tan inverse of infinity means pi by 2 minus of tan inverse of 0. 0 by anything means 0. That is tan inverse of 0 is 0 only. Okay, 2 cancel here. That is pi by ab. So for the given problem, pi by a is the correct answer. So on this is the process of simplification for the given problem.